The state in the Hillary Gardee murder case has provisionally withdrawn charges against 4 accused, Sipho Mkhatshwa, Philemon Lukhele, Albert Gama and Rassie Nkune. They were facing charges of murder, defeating the ends of justice and kidnapping, among others. Here is the NPA explaining why the case have been provisionally withdrawn.
It means that the charges against the accused are provisionally withdrawn. It doesn't mean acquittal. Charges remain the same. All 4 accused in the matter are still facing similar charges, which is murder, kidnapping, a robbery with aggravating circumstances, and defeating the ends of justice. What the NPA is going to do at this stage, the NPA is going to make sure that we engage with those witnesses in order to make sure that they come to court and testify. So at this stage, charges are provisionally withdrawn, not acquitted.
Do you think those charges, those people have been threatened maybe by the accused, or do you think they might be threatened by the accused not to come and testify?
We cannot talk further on that because what we were told is that they are nowhere to be found and they are no longer willing to testify.
We also spoke to one of the accused, Philemon Lukhele, who has been out now on bail. He said he is excited that the case have now been provisionally withdrawn because he said he's not a criminal.
I am extremely excited. I'm relieved. Finally, justice has taken its course. I feel exonerated. Like I said when I first got arrested on the 6th of May, that the truth shall set me free one day. And I said history will absolve me. Today, the truth has set me free. History has absolved me. I lost business. I lost my job. I was humiliated. I was paraded as a criminal. I've never committed any crime at any point in my life. Police came wrongfully arrest me, and the NPA went on to incarcerate me for almost a year, having done nothing. The pain that I've suffered, the humiliation my family has suffered, worse off, people who knew me and friends, they were attacked, harassed in their businesses, in their own businesses, in their workplaces. Today, I think the NPA and the police owe me a great apology.
The EFF that speaks for the family and also community members here saying that they are disappointed with the case.
We are looking for closure. And I'm sure South Africa too, because the matter of Hillary became a national interest of everyone, judging by the high rates of and levels of GBV. We were hoping that today is going to be the start of us getting that closure which we necessarily wanted. But unfortunately, what transpired in the court process of today became something else.
In simple terms, who do you blame for this? Is it NPA or the CPS?
No, the blame is put to everyone who is supposed to be ensuring the safety of every child, every woman, and every citizen of this country. So if that, as the state, that institution which is supposed to be looking after us as citizen, is not doing what is expected to be doing in terms of arresting the culprits, as well as ensuring that in the prosecution every system is in place. Yesterday we dealt with the case management, which ensured all of us that everything is good to go. The judge certified the process and said today we're good to go, only to be today told no, we are not good to go. There are issues with the case and therefore there is a provisional withdrawing that is being requested by the state. So you cannot really say it's NPA or the police, it's all of them. There are high levels of incompetence, and the mediocre we have in this country is out of this world.
The NPA maintains that this is not an acquittal, but rather a provisionally withdrawal of the charges. But once they get their witnesses back, the case will continue.